Okay, 1 minute till open. Actually, it's open right now. Yes, this is Nasdaq. Just watching what Nasdaq is doing. Nasdaq just took this a lot on high. We could we could just go up there today, to be honest. Like, why not? Why the hell not? On Nasdaq. If we look, yes, we can go up there. It'll be a problem to go through this, but a bit of volume. It's like a order block here, basically. That's how I see it. Fine. Nasdaq beautifully took that bottom, collected this liquidity, ready to go. Similar story on ES, but I think I got too many of this. All right, so that's a 15-minute grab. Collected something here. If I was a market maker, I would go down there. Yeah, we took that high. Just drop that. Yes, I can see the volume. I want this volume as well. I can see that volume actually here. Can I? Yeah, yeah. It's better like that. Nice drop. Okay, well, we're dropping into yesterday's high. And we're dropping lower. I would like to see Asia sell side to be taken go and grab the liquidity, collect all of that. Like I've been talking in my pre-market video when I was trading CPI. Look at that, 70, 55. What a drop, man. What a drop. Look at that, man. So what they have done with this move to the downside, they grabbed a lot of liquidity here as well. But I'm waiting. I'm waiting for more. I'm waiting for a drop some more here. Because technically speaking, we opened. And look what we're doing. Just going down. Tomorrow morning, try. Is this a valid liquidity sweep? I think we're going to get down there one more time. I'm going to add one more. Some trapped longs here. Just basically playing continuation to the downside. Just looking at that as well. Yes, they did grab that. Just quickly have a look on something. I've spent a lot of time here. Right, okay. I grabbed that 15-minute candle. I'm adding into that because I got some trap people up here. Pre-market, 8:30, 8:50, 8:45, 9 o'clock, 9:50. They all piling up to go long on that good CPI number. And the market usually punishes them. If we didn't get the push, we had that push up here. If we didn't get the push high into London buy side, then I'm thinking we can just fool around here for a while, get down, just basically pull everybody out of the trade first before we go higher. So kind of similar situation as yesterday. I mean, yesterday we pushed first and then we dropped. But today, market behaves a little bit different. I'm not going to be staying too long with my trades. Let's see. I still think we can get down there easily. Maybe break and go lower somewhere here into this area. We have 10 minutes from the open. I think continuation. The only worry I have is they grab the liquidity, but they also grab the liquidity here on the push lower. So if we're not pumping higher, this could yield a decent trade to the downside. Surprising trade. Tick charges getting lower. No conviction to go higher really at this point. I'm gonna just close one. Take a partial. Put a stop loss just above this high. Technically speaking, should go lower. Still fooling around. Okay, let's just take quick trades because market is just chopping around. I don't want to overstay my welcome like yesterday. We did take some trades today anyway. Now we took 237, 130, 137. This is what I took before 300. That was just at the CPI release number. I was just trading up long here. So, alright, it's going on. It's okay. I'm waiting for this Asia sell side. We just grabbed a low. It's not 15 minutes low yet. I mean, when you look at that, we open here, market is pulling, so not great. First to trade. At the open. That's what is it? $350. Just watching this, to be honest. I need to see. Okay, we've got 2 minutes to first 15 minutes. We grabbed that, immediately sold. Okay, so here's Nasdaq. What Nasdaq is doing the same thing. Sold into this high. Yes. Yeah. So let's see something. That's optimal trade entry for short. Very, very difficult thing to do when you got a good positive CPI. Very difficult thing to do when you have a CPI number positive. And we had a positive one, 2.9 versus 3.0. All right. I don't know. Draw that thing here. All right, so we have the first 15-minute candle. Push higher, immediately sold. Looks like London sell side. It's waiting. And we do have some liquidity here. And liquidity from yesterday, which I was talking about in the pre-market video. Look at that. This liquidity up here. I think market would like to get down there and grab it. If we get here, and we'll see a little bit of a reversal hammer candle, kind of, W, and they're going to be buying it, then we're going to go long for a push higher into London buy side. And that will be my day, pretty much. Wow. $48. I should be short in that, push like this. You want to use it. Pushed into the trap longs. Push into the trap longs. You want to use that. Shorting. Just switch this to 1 minute for a second. We have a fair value gap here, right? There we go. Mm-hmm. maybe push into this fair value gap. It's 50 past 9:50. Take everybody out before I dump. Let me place my trade here. It's a 15-minute candle here as well. Fair value gap on a 15-minute. Where's my order? I'm just gonna close that. Where the heck is my order? I did place my order, right? Yeah, push into this fair value gap and then dump. Okay, I'm going for 15 minutes now. Yeah. To understand this, where's my orders? 2 orders and they're not showing. Maybe I closed it, yeah? There we go, go on. Okay. I do want this to sweep with 15-minute liquidity. There's a 15-minute liquidity. Probably going to go lower. Just got up to 15 minutes. Should be buying that, to be honest. But we have not taken it properly yet. A bit too close, a bit too long here. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm going to wait. Okay, bouncing back. Already 3 points. I'm gonna go long here. Ah, it's so slow. This thing. Stop loss needs to be below. Target. God damn it. Straight away down. Okay, I'm very close to my stop loss, so I'm gonna add one more. It's a cheap trade. And let's push, into the high. I like to do this kind of stuff. We swept 15-minute liquidity down here, so could work. Maybe a little bit too close. Yeah, just giving it a bit of space. And I will probably close one here. It's 58, right? We're 58 already, so it looks like 2 more minutes, and then we'll be able to take the bottom. That's not good. And I'm waiting to grab the bottom, I think. Well, as they say, a good trade is a difficult one, right? A good trade is a difficult one. So what's this? One more minute, and they can go and grab the bottom. 30 more seconds. Yeah. Anyway, this whole thing is so. Yeah. Now I can go. Right, now I can go because they did it just before. I'm going to be one contract up here. Now they probably took that, right? like to see a little push somewhere here. No, I'm gonna wait for Asia sell side. Let's go. Come on. Oh, I should watch this on 5 minutes, to be honest. 1 minute is just triggers me too much into getting into the trades. Yeah, so the 15-minute swept here and 15-minute swept here. I think I'm gonna get a push now. Little bounce. Tick chart at 0 line. We grabbed twice the liquidity on 15 here and basically here and there. Yeah, it's holding, right? Good. That's good. That's better. It's just a price for all the shorts who are shorting. This is how I see it. I'm gonna add for the little push to the bottom. I know Asia sell side is close. I could go and grab that, but at the same time, this is front running. A lot of shorts shorting this to the Asia sell side. Most of the time, market likes to pump this a bit high. So let's just stay here. Yeah. At least we're trading with direction of the news, PPI, CPI news. Where's my 15? There's a 15-minute up here, right? 62. Lovely. you can basically buy all those little dips until we push through here, there, and up there. But actually, I'm gonna actually put this up there, and I will try to grab two contracts somewhere here. So I'm gonna play that. First minute on this candle. So right. It does look like it's reversing. We grab the liquidity. When you look at this liquidity, there's not much liquidity here. This can actually push higher. Can't dump into Asia, south side obviously. You have to be prepared for this. Mm-hmm. We're gonna go and grab that as well from yesterday. Don't think so. I don't think we're gonna do that immediately. We're gonna pump it up first. Spend some time here. I'm not gonna add more. It's enough. It's free. Also have some trapped shorts from yesterday in this area. So 2 more minutes on this candle and we can see this candle to finish up here. New one will open, we'll start to pump. What's a short Nasdaq did? Oh, it's just too slow everything. I'll go and have a look. £9. And we will have this 15-minute candle now. Top. Let's mark that in 5 minutes. And that is 10 past 10. Yeah, basically they have the whole liquidity. I mean, whoever was buying this at the open here in the pre-market here. They already got smoked. Yes, we can push into this Asia sell side. That's actually London sell side. It's not Asia. Just leave that. London. 10 past 10. Alright, London sell side is going to be taken. So we're going to go and tap into that. Should buy this, but I'm already free, so I can't do it. I might buy if we get down there. Hmm. 11 past. Not yet. Let's just wait. Looks like it's dumping into this area of the liquidity. So down here we have to buy one more. Very much. London sell side taken. I mean, at this point, if I can get this, if I can make myself out of this position, I'm going to do it. 15 past in 1 minute. We have been a couple of times in profit here on these two, or is it 2 free points? But we didn't use the opportunity to take it. It's alright. I'll try to just get out from that if we can. Somewhere here. I'm going to think our position one more time. something like that. That looks like a good buy here. It took the liquidity. I'm tempted to hold this a little bit higher because this could actually push and start going up. So this is the greed. What is this? That's basically what I was thinking. We might get to London sell side, we might not get to London sell side. But the moment we got to London sell side, they grabbed all the liquidity. This could go actually. This could actually go up here, and as we push, we can basically try to push into this liquidity up there, up here, basically. This is 15 minutes. Sorry, so I have to close here. 15 minutes is here. I'm gonna close here. Everything. See. Could have got him for free almost. Screed, man. I hate that. Hate that. When this happens, but that's alright. Scan reverse right now. They have a lot of stuff now. A lot of liquidity to collect. Why I didn't close the thing here? Oh yeah, I didn't look at that. We were tapping into this 15-minute candle. Trap longs. Okay, but if we push one more time, we might go higher. The second time. That was a mistake, because my rules are very clear. If I get this kind of gift, I have to close. The first touch was obvious, it's not going to go higher. We might go on the second time. So, but I could re-enter my position here again. Would have been much better. Yeah, the second time we should go higher. The fact that we are actually bouncing out of that London sell side now and we're pushing high, it's very important. Very, very important. 16 past. And there you go. We got higher. Market is trying to go higher now. Should stay in this position. It will be fluctuating here for a while, but then eventually we'll go. Could get out. I could get out. But by now we're gonna go higher. So I might not be able to re-enter it at this point. So if you push higher now, there you go. 15-minute top is here. We have to close, let's say like one tick before. Do I want to close everything? No. I don't want to close everything. I'm going to close just to the moment we get here, we get a push. There you go. Liquidity has been collected. Let's just close 2 here. Struggling here a bit. Fuck. Second time we were able to close while holding because we still were. But it would have been much better if we were closing because we could just re-enter, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. 4 minutes left on this candle. That's a lot. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, sorry. 21 past, 22 past. Just switch this into one just so we can see what's happening on the smaller time frame. On the displacement here into this area, but we have to close at the 15 minute. Alright, we closed one, and then we closed two. At this point, stop loss break even. Okay, let's see if we can get the push now. Sold into that 15. Bullish structure, beautiful. Got some stops popping. Lovely. Shorts are out, some of them. And we have another push. Where's another 15 minute? Another 15 minute candle is out there. So let's hold this now. Let's hold this one contract. Hopefully we're not going to be stopped. Hopefully we're not going to be stopped. So, you know, I was just holding that thing. I've been a bit too early. As usual. My entry here, I'll just have a look quickly. My entry here was basically, I got too early. I should have just put my buy order somewhere here and wait till market just kicks in, and it would be much better. We have been in profit, $300. This would be even better. I'll probably take some of it because it always takes time for market to reverse. Then a push into that liquidity here, trapped liquidity here. I made a mistake not to close. pretty much we got out break even. But I kind of, because of the CPI number, I know that guys are going to be buying this. They've been waiting for London sell side. They're going to be buying it, and frankly, you can just hold this into here, really, into this trap liquidity up there, pretty much. It's like a long haul. So it's a break-even trade right now. We took some partial. We got this displacement. Here's the fair value gap. I'm gonna buy one more time here because I do want to. I do want to be in this trade. It's just a little drop, but I'm not gonna allow it to fall on me right now. I want to see. I want to see push. Just basically, they are going down to grab stoppers, take people out. It just happens all the time. You have to withstand that. I'm gonna add. I'm adding into that. That's it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm gonna close that. It does look like they pushed into that 15 to take people out. That's all right. But it doesn't mean we're gonna continue lower. It means, So I think I add another position lower. We have 2 more minutes on this candle. Let's see how they're gonna finish it. We had that push, through the 15 and stops were bursting here. Then we dropped. Now they're buying it again. So we want to see this candle in 1 minute, finish somewhere here, new one open, and continue higher. Let me have a look on 1 minute just to see. Yeah, but very nice. That was a fair value gap. Lovely. It needs to just go higher, really. Yeah, I want to see a push. There was a nice push here, which I was talking about going short. Now it's basically inverse. Dips like this, you want to go, because we did take like liquidity. So dips like this, you have to use to buy. And we're gonna get a push higher somewhere here, perhaps here, and that's it. And there we go. So that's the last minute on the 5 minute candle. Last minute always tells the truth about 5 minutes. Look at that, 30 seconds. Now we can just push higher. This has to push. Let's go. What's going on here? What is he talking about? Crude oil inventories. Doesn't matter. Okay. We got another 5 minutes started. I want to see displacement now. We're very close to POC, but it doesn't mean anything. They already collected a lot of liquidity. It's just the patience now. Shut up. Right. Stop loss below this level you got pretty much. If you wanna see if that breaks, we're going lower pretty much. But we tried once, we tapped the second time. Let's hold. Where's the target? The target is up there. Where's that thing? Oh shit. Alright. Why I don't see? Okay, you know what? It's only 5 minutes. Volume profile. I've been stopped. Okay, I'm gonna go one more time. Second one here again. I still believe into this push. Okay, it's 10:30. Not a great time. Not a great time. Just look at that. Oh shit. Not great. So we did sell into that 15-minute. Now we're dropping. We're gonna go and grab this. Probably tap into that low. So yeah, this POC was a problem. Drop liquidity. We're not falling. I'm gonna add. Fucking hell. Okay, so we're finally tapping into that. Finally, we're tapping into that liquidity I was talking about from the open. Fine. Jesus. That's bad. Right, now they grab the whole thing. Motherfuckers. Jesus. This is what happens when you try to hold shit. Been up, been happy. So now, when the price gets back, we need to get out. This is simple, as simple as that. Not going to be waiting for anything. If the price gets back up here, I'll have to get out. So it's 10:35. One big drop. One big drop. You're gonna climb back up here. I would not be surprised if we pump up. So many people went long on that thing. I would not be surprised if we start to pump up, but I will keep my finger on the button. Stay robbed, everybody. And it's 10:36, so there's 1 hour of trading, a lot of liquidity. Now they grab that thing that I actually marked before they open. I'm not gonna be surprised. But still, you have to do that, mate. You have to close like you said you will. God damn it, I'm closing it. Right, we took a loss on this, but not a huge one. What's this thing? Consult, account history. $200, that's alright. Look at that. It's trying. We'll buy this here. We'll go with 2. I'm gonna buy this somewhere here. Maybe lower. 2 more minutes on this candle. They grabbed the liquidity from yesterday. That was the POC, that was the main chunk, the main meat. They dropped. I think it's a beautiful drop. Yeah, mate, as it's going up. It's holding up here. 1 more minute on this candle. The tick chart already holding to 0 line. If we drop lower, I'm gonna add. But I think and that will be, I mean, this is what I was waiting for anyway, for this drop here. But, you know, you see how difficult it is to wait for something like that. I think we're going up now. Finally, we're gonna go really fast because now they collected everybody who's long here. There you go. Look at that, mate. See this? Do you see that? Do you see that, Larry? Basically robbery. This is the robbery. Gonna add. This is the robbery. Beautiful. Look at that, man. They wanted this. That's what they wanted. They left it. They left it at the number PPI. They didn't went for it. Now they took it. And now we're gonna fly. Whew. Now we're going to fly. Very fast. Has to be a fast move because you don't want people to get involved on the long side. 41, 46. We have a 15-minute. We have a 15-minute candle top here. That's the liquidity. We got double actually. We have double. We have double. So it's a half an hour. That's a half an hour. This is where we're gonna go. Sell a bit there and continue higher. And what's this? It's the FIBA. Let's remove this FIBA. Yeah, it's holding beautifully. Any kind of drop, I'm buying more. I'm adding into my position. 43, 40, yeah, 43. I'm gonna add here. Take 3, it's enough. I'm holding this now. Quite confident we're gonna go higher because we took that bottom, we took London sell side, we collected everything, you know. Think about the story of this. In the pre-market, we had a CPI. A bunch of people jumped on that thing. Okay, they got stopped. They were adding, they got stopped. I added in here. We pushed. We've been in profit. We took a little bit of something here. And a lot of people bought this. What they've done, they just pulled this market even lower. This one little fucking candlestick, man. Look at that. It's 556. A drop to 39. That's a 15 pointer. Nobody can withstand this. I think I'm going to be trading with micros when I get back to London. Half a position because of this kind of situation, so I can withstand this kind of moves to the downside. So my fees are correct. We will go higher because now we are loaded. We loaded the boat with contracts. We loaded the boat. It's gonna go up, and they're gonna climb higher. Here's the first stop. This doesn't even matter anymore because there's not a lot of liquidity. There's a second one. We're gonna go for London buy side. Simple as that. and we're gonna go up there and continue higher, most likely. Just basically, like everybody was thinking that we're gonna have open and we start to shoot high. Now, they need to buy first, and that's what they did. They just bought it. They have just bought it. They? Who's they? Those who control the market. It's not me. It's not you. They're big boys. Big, big boys. With a lot of dosh. They don't care about the 15-minute drop. They don't care about it. Like, look what they've done. The street got in the ass here. Street got in the ass here. Me including. And then whoop. Grab it and go. We're gonna go. Now it's gonna buy a little bit and whoop. Everybody was piling on the London sell side. If you drop this, you can see from the open to here what liquidity chunk. The main chunk of liquidity wasn't there. It was here, and they needed to take it. It wasn't down there. It was just the stops. Yeah. It was basically the area of interest. This liquidity from yesterday. If you look here, you can see that. Look at that. That was the main chunk of liquidity. This is what they wanted. That's how they planned it. Planned to take that. They don't want to go down here. CPI was good. PPI is good. It's bullish. It is bullish. Everything is bullish, my friend. Let's just hold now. Yeah, we can sell one here. Definitely. We should take some partials on the way up. We have to. You can't just hold everything. I think it's gonna just keep going up there. Yes, it can. But more likely. Where's my view up anyway? Just have a look at the view up. $48. We got 12 more minutes, 11 more minutes. Should push through this till 11 o'clock. We'll make them go up there very quickly. Once we take that liquidity out all the way, we can start to pump. That's the main liquidity. So I'm going to put my stop loss. One tick. We need to go for a view up, obviously. That should be a problem. Look at that. So tempting to grab that now. The whole package. Fucking take it, mate. Let's make it. Let's make this day looking good. 900, right? It's $1,000. Why not? Why the heck not? Let's have a look. Because the VWAP, we might pull a little bit on my re-enter it, so that's the reason why I did it. So we had a $500 loss here. Yeah. And that's it. It's a mixture of, yeah, there you go. I took the $1,000. I took the $1,000 because, oops, sorry. Let's just get out here. But was the reason I took it. I just took it, man. It was $1,000. But I think we can pull a little bit here. Got the opportunity to catch this one more time, so I will try to catch this one more time a bit cheaper. And if I can't get it, that's all right. That will be the end of the day for me. Got a lot of 15 minutes now. Got 9 more minutes. Hopefully we will pull back one more time into that. They don't need to take this high yet. They don't need to take this high yet. Let's view up. Could pull a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna get in with one here. Might buy second one low if I can catch this. There we go. Have you done that for me? Or you didn't? God damn it. This thing is so slow. Maybe not. Honestly. Because I was changing a place of the order and it didn't update. That's why I did not get there. But that's fine. The VWAP sell was alright. We did sell. Let's say we sold 2. We got one more running. I'm just gonna hold this now. Got 7 more minutes. Now we should get acceleration because there is not a lot of liquidity here. Where's this thing? Where's that thing? There we go. Now we should just go very fast. My target will be here. Obviously, London buy side is the other part of target, but I think trading with MES it's a better idea. You can withstand those kind of drops and I like that. We did take the 15-minute, bear in mind, we did take the 15-minute candles. And the question is, are we going to continue? Are we going to reverse now and pull back into the POC and start pumping higher? Nasdaq is reversing as well. Yeah, you should really add into this right now, somewhere here, at the view up. Should pump up here into opening price. Those poo burgers are waiting. These guys are from pre-market and crying. begging the price to come back to them so they can get out. Because they were right about direction, but they got it too early. So, okay, stop loss has to be below that. There's no other way. And to be honest, below VWAP, somewhere here. This displacement has to happen fast. We have a 15-minute candle here, this fair value gap, so we'll see. I'm gonna close this somewhere here, try to close this somewhere here. The first one. We have these people trapped here. You know what, let's just stick to the rules, and there's the 15-minute. I'm gonna close one here. Let's just stick to the rules. Beautiful push into this high. Let's see if we're gonna pick it up and continue high. We got 4 more minutes. Oh, I'm so tempted to add on that pullback. 3 more minutes. Shouldn't break that. To be honest, we shouldn't break that VWAP, but we might dip in it. If we dipped into this VWAP, I'm gonna add. So what are you trying to achieve? 56, 62 at 6 points. Nah, forget it, man. There's not a lot of liquidity up here on the little spike. It's pretty much zero liquidity here. So I'm not gonna count that 15-minute liquidity. We do have trap liquidity here, but the main one is up there. This is all pre-market. So I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna hold it. I need to learn to hold this stuff because many times I'm in a good trade and I close it too early, and I see, market goes where it's supposed to go. This is where it's supposed to go here, London buy side, and take this London buy side basically. That's where I want to go. Because imagine you were shorting this or you were shorting that. Now you're in panic. You're in panic mode right now. God damn it. Market is not getting, it's not going back down there anymore. Oh shit, what am I supposed to do? And they're gonna just pumping. At the same time, whoever was long has been robbed with the drop here and immediately came back up. See that? Immediately came back up there. So they're not going to allow you to get in on the long side. Why would they? They want to buy your stop losses and climb back up there. You know what? Just fuck that. Let's just, I know it will be somewhere here, got some dust on the shelf down, up here. Some stubborn longs up here, they're going to be getting up. So let's see if we can just push up here. We have 15 seconds, and we will have 11 o'clock. And we'll have at the same time here will be 15-minute candle is here, and there's another one here. Let's just mark that. All right, we took that. We have not taken it yet. Okay, we took it now. I'm gonna take that. So I took one. I'm holding the rest up here. I took that into that 15-minute candle. Free drop somewhere here. My re-enter. Got this volume here holding. So they did sell, we sold here as well. A little bit. Can buy it cheap. Maybe here. Maybe here. Now we got 15 minutes, you know. We don't need to go straight away. We can just keep buying here and then continue higher. This could be one leg. And there will be a second leg up there. It's just the patience, mate. But also they could keep going, you know, climbing up there. See how that works? 15 minutes, and there wasn't a lot of liquidity on that 15 minutes, but this one we had some liquidity. We sold a little bit. We took what, $200 on that. 281. Fine. Good sell. That's a good sell. Providing that we bought it somewhere here, we sold into this, then we bought it here, we sold here, and now we're holding the rest. It's good trading. That is good trading. Sip off that lovely coffee I have here. Yeah, I mean at this point, this is not ideal position because we could come back into view. Yeah, they have time. 15 minutes, they have time. So what do you think? Should I close here, take this 200? Or are we going to continue higher? Opening price, there will be reaction. 100% sure there will be reaction at the opening price. So you have to close. There's no other way, mate. No other way. Because there will be a reaction. You can get back down here. You can buy it one more time. Try second time. There will be reaction. Has to be. Beautiful. Let's go. 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 Can we at this point take the risk? Actually cover even costs of that. Let's go up there. It's alright, I'm gonna hold it. Beautiful. Come on. Push. One tick. One tick in front of this group of trapped longs. You know what? Who the fuck cares about that one tick? Let's be victorious today. There we go. There will be a reaction. Look, watch that. If we tap in there, we might not even tap in the front running, just like I did it now. We sold somewhere here. So on the trade from VWAP, it's 418, 228. That's $600, $700, right? Not too shabby, not too shabby. Yeah, they want to pump it up, and they will pump it up, but there will be a little pullback. There will be a little pullback, and I'm gonna catch that. I'm gonna catch that pullback because I'm still in the long trade. Even though I'm not in it, I am in the long trade. One tick. Come on, one tick. Tap into my order. Come on. Tap into my order. What I said, front running in front of that, definitely. This is opening price. A lot of people waiting to get out. You know what? Let's just be greedy and try to catch that. I see a show off here on the volume profile. I might just dip into it. So we already saved. Beautiful, man. Beautiful trading. All right. So what we saved? Our entry is 61.75. We sold somewhere here. This is how you save yourself at $200, mate. Because now we can go higher. If market wants to go higher, obviously. A lot of people trapped here on the short side. A lot of people who were thinking, oh no, we're gonna go down there. They've been selling. And the market was just pumping. Oh, lovely. If we get down there, I'm gonna buy one more. Into this volume. Into that volume. Yeah, we can just shop around here for a while and then try to maybe take the liquidity which we'll build and then push higher. Any way you look at it, that's your target. And we have prevailing winds. We got the PPI from yesterday. We have the CPI from today. No reason to sell. That was just Judas swing, really. That's what it was. ICT Judas swing. We could get into this trap liquidity. There is a possibility we could do that. So, oh man, nice. You see, never touch the opening price. The pink line is opening price. 65.59. That's a 6-pointer. 6 points. All right. 11.9. Got 1 minute on the 5-minute candle. New one will open. We might just dip in it and then go. Then we'll go. What they're trying to do, they're trying to take these guys. You know, whoever was trapped here. It's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna close. Oh, this thing is just falling. Let me close. They're gonna be just selling. Lower and suddenly we get back up here. I want this 5-minute to be taken, the bottom of it. I want this 5-minute candle to be taken, dip into it, and then go high. But Now we should go higher. Now we should tap this opening price and test this area. Can obviously chop around, but in my opinion, they should push everything before the lunch. So we've got another 20 minutes. We could be up here. It's not nice that they didn't got that bit. I wish they could. Nice pullback here to get in. That's why you're not holding. The first touch, you don't hold into it because it will be there will be a lot of front running. The same with this, the first time we'll get there to London. I mean, once we push through that, I think there's not a lot of liquidity. It's like zero liquidity, so market can do anything. Might continue higher, might drop, might do whatever. But whoever is short will put, stop loss above London buy side. Yeah. Look at this. London sell side. We were dropping into it and they started to buy. Dropping into it and started to buy. It took them 15 minutes to drop finally. A similar story can be here. You can get to it and then drop. Get to it, drop, and then we'll push. So it's up to you how you want to trade. I like to take, like I'm gonna take this here. Once we push, we do have that liquidity here. That's the volume profile I can see. That's it. I think they're gonna create a bit of range here, and then we'll attack it and push. That means that we can chop around here for a while. Got 2 more minutes. It's gonna be a 15-minute candle high. They will use that. They will use that liquidity to push higher for the opening print. So I was quite, I said when I was entering this, I was thinking I'm quite greedy with this price. But look at that. We bought it at 61.75 and we dropped to 51. So we got, 2 points lower. We could have got that 2 points lower. Do I want to hold? If I close this, it's gonna go. If I don't, it's gonna drop. Yeah, that's the problem. Okay, so got 1 minute. Yeah. I'm gonna take this here because we're gonna push through this 15-minute. Most likely we'll push through the 15-minute. Push through that. Oh, the fuck, come on. Okay. See, there you go. They're gonna be like fooling around now. Hmm. You know what? Let's just hold. Let's just be brave. Hold this thing. We made money already. I'm thinking. Oh shit! I'm gonna add basically. If we drop, I'm gonna add. That's what I'm gonna do. As always, this question: should I take? Imagine that you've been taking it once, twice. It's always this kind of chop around situation here. Where you might push into that and then turn around. And most likely that's what they're gonna do. That's what they're gonna do. Let's see. Alright. What we're gonna do now. Oh man. It's just one tick above. God damn it. Greed. Just greed. Well, we did take that. If we push higher, we're gonna go. So now you can just move it and hold it. Simple as that. Got 12 more minutes till 11:30. If we drop lower, I'm gonna add. I will add. They have not sold. The thing is that they have not sold into buy side liquidity. That's why you can keep adding. Any kind of drop you can buy because they have not sold into the buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity is this open price. You need to push through, and we have as well here a lot of it was a decent volume. It was almost an hour of trading here, so we'll try to push up here. Anyway, you can see this here. Let's just move. At the same time, you don't want to overstay your welcome and be too confident because market can just fucking drop there again, get back up there. But if they drop down here, they will make a favor to all the shorts. They don't want to make a favor to shorts. They want drive the shorts high and high and high. It's just basically want to handle their asses up there, It's just high because all the shorts are like, oh shit, I'm gonna put my stop loss there, and they're hoping for price to drop. They've been adding into that. So Alright then. Now they tapped into you know what, I shouldn't allow myself to. Got 7 more minutes. I'm not going to be adding anything. I think we're just holding and we should just go, really. It's fine. I'm very happy with this. I don't care if I'm stopped 12 points, 12, yeah, $12. It's alright. If we get a push, we get a push. And then we should get a push. We should get a push. Into this 470. Maybe even higher. Let's hold. Money is made when you're patient. Money is made when you're patient. There we go. We just climbed above this volume. This can just basically start to shoot up. 26 past. So you got 4 minutes. I can just pump it up there. So we're going through this trap liquidity now. They allowed them to sell a little bit lower. Took some loss. Now price is able to go higher into the meat of this liquidity. Once we go through, we should accelerate because we have stops up here. 11:27, 3 more minutes. It's like you're gonna look at this thing. It looked so scary, right? That's what they want. They want you to be afraid of this drop. But they're actually going for a liquidity, nothing else. And immediately back up there. It's alright. It's alright. It's looking good. It's looking good. London buy side. Where's MQ? Where's MQ? Okay, MQ is way behind. Way behind. Look at that. They're trying to get to the opening price. So they're trying to get to the price, to the opening price. Still have the liquidity in front of them. Squeeze through it. Okay. This is gonna be trading just in front of the liquidity. Might not even wait for it, to be honest. Oh man, are you gonna push for this? There we go. Thank you very much. And yes, you can continue to London buy side, but I'm out. And in the money. Was it worth it to hold? Yes, it was. $400. So let's have a look. Let's look at this day. 400, 400. Let's say 200. Oh, this is actually 400, 420. That's That's 300, right? So what is it? 1,100. That was beautiful. Beautiful chunk. That's $2,000. And now we had some losses. Let's say 300 with all the costs of 300. It's 1,700. 1,000 minus 300 is 1,400. 1,700. 1,400 or 350. 1,350. That's 250. 350 plus 250 is 600. That's 100. 700. That's $2,000. That's 2,000. 300. 400. That's 2,600. That's 400. That's pretty much it. And that's from yesterday. So 2,400. 2,400 day, my friend. That's a 2,400 day. And we are getting that final squeeze into London buy side. We sold up here. Could have taken another 3 points because I will be closing here just in front of it. But that's okay. 2,400 a day. Boom. London buy side. 2,400 a day. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like my commentary, like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow. This is Trap Trader. We've been trading ES futures, and it was 14th of August, CPI day. Take care.